inhibitory gene. We will discuss this topic through first introduction and definition, second example, and then explanation. Inhibitory gene is a type of non-allelic or intergenic gene interaction. Suppose A and B are two non-allelic dominant genes. Gene A is able to express as concerned phenotype, and in the recessive condition it produces the contrasting character. Gene B is not able to express itself when present alone, but it inhibits or stops the expression of A when present with the A. Means in this condition, this genotype expresses as the homozygous recessive of A gene as a contrasting character. This B gene is known as inhibitory gene. On the basis of this discussion, we can calculate the phenotypic ratio in the F2 generation of inhibitory gene interaction. We know the Mendelian typical dihybrid phenotypic ratio is 1. In out of the 16, the 9 possess both the dominant gene. In 3, one dominant gene present alone, and in another 3, another dominant gene present alone, and in the 1, both the genes are present in the recessive condition. So here we have in presence of AB or in presence of only B or in the recessive condition, means in 9 plus 3 plus 1 have the same type of the phenotypic effect, that is 13. In remaining 3 where only A is present, which express as a concerned phenotype, so we have the ratio 13:3 in F2 generation against 9:3:1 ratio. So the inhibitory gene action or interaction modify the Mendelian 9:3:1 ratio to 13:3. On the basis of this, we can define the inhibitory gene as the gene which in dominant form inhibit the expression of another non-allelic dominant gene which is able to express as a phenotypic effect is known as inhibitory gene. Now we discuss the example of such type of the gene interaction. Leaf color in rice is a good example of inhibitory gene. The certain varieties of the rice possess the purple color of the leaf and some varieties possess green color. The purple color of the leaf is due to a dominant gene, capital LP. This gene causes the purple color of the leaf. In its recessive condition, the color becomes green. And another gene, I, which has not its own effect when present alone, but when it present with capital LP gene, it inhibits the effect of the LP genes, means it inhibits the purple color of the leaf. Instead of the purple, the leaf becomes the green. So when the I is present, the leaf color is always green, because in recessive condition of LP also it gives rise the green color of the leaf. Now we will discuss the interaction of inhibitory gene by crossing between the two varieties of the rice differing in their leaf color. The one variety of the rice having the purple color, which is homozygous dominant in capital LP and recessive in inhibitory I gene. And another plant possesses green leaf, which is recessive in gene LP and dominant in gene I. These plants are taken as parent, purple color leaf parent is male and green color leaf parent is female, or vice versa, are close together. We know the homozygous plant always produce one type of the gamete. So from the purple color they produce one type of the gamete containing the genotype capital LP small I and green small LP capital I. These are the gametes produced from the parents. When these gametes are fused together, they produce the F1 generation. Capital LP, small LP, capital I, small I, they are phenotypically green because this gene I in dominant form inhibit the expression of the capital LP gene, and genotypically the plants of the F1 generation are hybrid or heterozygous in both the genes. During the gamete formation, the members of the allelic pair of the first gene, that is capital LP and small LP, are separated, and likewise the members of the allelic pair of second gene, the capital I and small I, also separate and may equal chance to join either LP capital or LP small. Capital I, small I, capital I, small I. As a result, they produce four type of the gamete: capital LP, capital I, capital LP, small I, small LP, capital I, small LP, small I. So four type of the male as well as 4 types of the female gametes are produced. When the plants of F1 generation are self-pollinated, self-pollination, to produce the F2 generation. They produce the 4 types of the eggs or female gamete and 4 types of the pollen genotypically or male gamete. These are capital LP, capital I, capital LP, small I, small LP, capital I, small LP, small I. Likewise, the female gametes are also of 4 types: capital LP, capital I, capital LP, small I, small LP, capital I, small LP, small I. These 4 types of the male gamete and 4 types of the female gametes are fused randomly to form the 16 type of the zygotic combination in F2 generation. Out of the 16, in 13, either the capital I or single I or the capital I is present in the recessive condition. So, in these 3 conditions, the plants possess the green leaf, and only in the 3 zygotic combination, they possess the capital LP and not the capital I, so the color of the leaf become purple. So in this way, we get the phenotypic ratio 13:3 in F2 progeny. So these results revealed that the gene I has no its own effect, but it inhibits the expression of the dominant gene capital LP. As a result, this I, capital I, is present in out of 16 in 12 combination, and in 1 both genes are present in the recessive condition. So total zygotic combination are 13 type, and only in 3 there is capital LP present alone. So we get the ratio 13:3. So this one is the interaction of inhibitory gene. Thank you.